Hey you guys, got package opening and some small package opening. So yeah, let's get to it. Anyway, so yeah, how you guys doing? I bought some more reborns, but yeah, I'm postponing on doing those package openings because I want to show you this other stuff first. So yeah, I got another American Girl doll. She's I don't have one like this one. She is, I think she's an AA one. Yeah, here she is. And she's a custom made one. She has green eyes. You can see her eyes. Got green eyes. Is she pretty? Blinky. Blinky green eyes. Yeah, she's so pretty. So, yeah, I got an AA American Girl doll. She's an older model. Yeah. See, if you can see her face, she may have some scuffs and whatnot on her, whatever. Dirty marks, whatever. Yeah, she's an older model of an AA. Yeah. To me, it looks like just freckles, though. Looks like it would be freckles. Yeah. My husband and my son are playing soccer outside. And they put a wig on her, a different wig. Yeah, it's all glued on there pretty tight. But I won't be combing it because I don't want to lose those curls, those beautiful curls. I'm going to show you her one more time because I got to show you some other stuff. Show you her one more time, okay? See up close, she's got these stuffs on her face. Looks, but to me, I would just consider them being like freckles. But she's still pretty. Still pretty. I still love her. They look like freckles to me. Maybe they put them there. I don't know, but she is so pretty. Ain't she pretty? She's so pretty. I ain't gonna say how much I paid for her. But let's get to these other package openings. Alright. Read something. Gee, the time goes by so fast. This one's from a well-known YouTuber, Stephanie Ortiz. She gave me a diaper. Yeah, thank you. And I'm gonna be careful ripping this paper. And I'm gonna just cut it. Yep. Oh, it's taped on the inside too. I like to use this. Okay. Anyways, I got this for my dolls whenever I put them together. My, what do you call it? I don't know what to call them now, but when I was in the 80s, they called this Yoda, the Yoda doll. They call them something else nowadays. I got this from my Yoda dolls. And the girl one. Whenever I put her together in the stores, I can't take anything out now. I don't know, my husband says because we're going to be selling our home in the summer, can't take anything out. So, let's get to this one. See, I got quite a few package openings here. Where we're at? Oh, okay, 439. Anyways, I got this from my AA, American Girl dolls. I got the pants to go with it, but I don't know what happened to the package. Isn't that weird, you guys? I don't know what happened to the package, but it's gone. It is so gone. I don't know. I put it somewhere. I'll find it. Okay. I love this material. This package, these doll wigs came in. And I got some doll wigs for my American Girl doll that her hair is really messed up, so I got some doll wigs for her. I'm waiting for the other one, the third one to come in, but this one's like a blonde one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? The blonde one. Right? Platinum blonde. Alright. I'm going to show you the other one. Hang on. Get in there. Get back in there. Alright. Now I'll show you this last one. This is my last package opening, you guys. Excuse me. Don't worry, I still got time. This one's like a caramel mix. Alright. Caramel mix. Isn't that pretty? Alright. That's all I got to show you. Bye. Peace out. Like and some comment. I know what you're right now. Peace out.